Hey guys, so this is Cooking with COVID, episode 3. I am here at GC's place and we are celebrating Mother's Day. See, got the balloons. We're gonna cook up a fucking feast. All right, check it out. Salt Bay, Salt Bay. Pepper Bay. Got some swordfish steaks. So we got cooking. Hot damn.
Yeah, buddy. Trying to get to 120 degrees. So we could do the
What's
rest.
that now? At 100. Hot damn. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey! Hey! Butter, garlic, herb. Oh yeah.
Dude, she has the lines perfect. She made like a crisscross.
Look at those knife skills. OMG. Oh no, I'm sitting out.
Okay, looking over there.
What is it? A5 American Wagyu?
5 Wagyu.
That marbling right there. It's legit. Ooh. Base that, base that.
Kelly's doing.
This is good in tacos too. Here's the ponzu sauce.
Is there?
A5 Wagyu. So Rio, did you enjoy your Mother's Day?
Yes.
How was the meal?
It was delicious.
What's your favorite part?
The swordfish. That's what
Swordfish? What about you? What was your favorite?
I like the
Sushi. Is that because you cut it yourself?
It's actually nice.
I had your help and I also had Aaron.
Oh,
Nice.
good.
So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Cooking with COVID, episode 3. Stand by for episode 4. All right, say bye.